learn about this 40.
Over a year ago, changed all the coolant out, but I've noticed it's even okay, changed it out, gave it a flush, and I've only driven it 2,000 k's. It's all yucky, black, rusty crap, so we're going to give it a really good flush. Today we're just going to do the radiator, give it a really good flush. Common knowledge, I assumed everyone, the tap's right at the bottom here. So I'm going to pull that whole tap out, drop it straight into here, flush it all out. Alright, so we've put a multi-grips on there to try to grab hold of it, because it's not the easiest position to get hold of it. And that helps us to unscrew it, hopefully. Alright, so after 2,000 k's of driving this vehicle, it was green, so it just shows that there's a lot of rusty crud in there. And heavy duty radiator flush, professional strength. I'm not a professional, but anyway, we'll see what happens. So all we need is a 10mm spanner on here, and plug the bottom. Clean that sludge out, and I can see it. That's pretty important, is the radiator cap. Make sure the spring returns nice and easily. Make sure all these rubbers, there's no perish, no cracks. And it's all, this is a new radiator cap, so this is all okay. The last one, all this rubber was perished. We don't want that, otherwise we can't seal our system. Now it's time to get professional with the professional strength radiator flush. With that, I don't know if it's cleaned it out. It's going in the same colour as it came out. Fill it up with water, demineralised or clean water, but I'm just going to use water from the tap just for the flush. Don't want to waste demineralised water when I fill it up. The main reason I'm doing all this is because my cruiser's sitting around while I rip panels off and do rust repairs. I thought it's probably not a good idea leaving this cruddy crap in here while it's sitting idle for so long. Alright, so we've filled it up, run it for 15 to 40 minutes, I suppose. See how that goes. Alright, so that's been 25 minutes. Shut it off, let it cool down. We've run the radiator flush through, and now we're just letting it all drain out. The motor's cooled. So it still looks pretty dirty, but we'll give it another flush of cold water. Hopefully that's done the trick, I suppose. The whole tap out, mainly because, as you can see, that O-ring was no good. And actually bent just here. Righto, we're going to, now we've flushed it up, we're going to remove the radiator so we can clean it properly. So we've got a bolt here, soaked it all with some WD-40 for the horn, a bolt here for the bracket, one down the bottom, come around the other side, one here, so there's 4 bolts. Take this whole shroud off. Inspect the fan, make sure it's all okay. Looks pretty good actually. These hoses off. Alright, it's a new day. The sun went down on me last night, so it was a little bit hard to keep going. And we're going to remove this today, the radiator bracket, so we can clean it up, give it a new paint job because it's starting to rust and get yucky along here. We don't want to lose anything, so there's only 4 bolts. You've got 2 support bolts that brace themselves, one to the chassis and one to the bracket or the guard, and 2 bolts just under here, so they're 14 and they're 13mm. The easiest way to do it, I reckon, was we'll just try a big long extension, come straight up, undo them, and hopefully lift out.